Hi, Brad here again from QueenCityLaw. Today, I'll be discussing about what employers need to do to bring in migrant workers. This video is accurate as at 18th of August 2022. And remember, this is not legal advice. The new accredited employer work visa became effective as of 4th of July. Since 16th of August, there's only been 59 applications approved out of 1,163 that's been submitted. So it's not a straightforward process. There are 3 steps to get your workers into New Zealand. The first step is to become an accredited employer. The second step is to do the job check, and finally, you will need to do a migrant check. I'll be discussing each step in this video. The first step: how do you qualify and become an accredited employer? There are 3 main requirements. The first being you are a genuine business with good trading history. The second is that you need to complete the settlement activities required by Immigration New Zealand. And finally, you need to be compliant with immigration and employment laws in New Zealand. If you meet these requirements, then you can decide to apply and become a low volume accredited employer or a high volume accredited employer. High volume means you will be hiring more than 6 overseas workers, and low volume means you will be hiring less than 5. The job check, step 2. This is the most time consuming out of the entire process. Generally, it takes about 2 to 4 weeks at the moment. You will need to advertise for at least 2 weeks for the position and ensure that there are no available Kiwis that could fill the role. We highly recommend that you get in touch with us and ensure that your advertising is done correctly and that your employment agreement is compliant with immigration standards. Finally, the migrant check. This is where Immigration New Zealand will issue an accredited employer work visa. To be granted a work visa for your workers, they will need to show Immigration New Zealand that they are of good health, of good character, and they qualify for the position. We anticipate that this will take between 2 to 4 weeks for processing. We highly recommend that you provide a high quality application so it's processed expeditiously. To conclude, we would love to help grow your company. We want to streamline this process for you and make it as stress-free as possible. Please get in touch with us. My contact details are below.